Welcome to my channel for comprehensive tutorials on fundamental principles to complex problems. I'll cover it all. Feel free to share, subscribe for more contents. Thank you. Hello everyone. We are done with exercise 6 in the last video. This is exercise 7 that you can find on page 62 in the textbook that you have. In case if you need a PDF of this book, I can provide you. My number is given over here. Now, moving straight to question number 1 in this chapter, uh, not only evaluation of the given expression, but there are going to be several operations. First is squares, finding squares of the number, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, all four operations, and exponential functions also going to be solved using this exercise. So first of all, it says the value of x is -3 and the y is 2, and you may need to find out the value of x square. That means we just need to write x square, the value of x square. That means we need to write something like this. And we know very well when -3 is multiplied by itself, it's going to give you a +9, +9, you can say. Now in here, the value of x square is going to be multiplied by 3. That means -3 square is multiplied by 3. So -3 times -3 is going to give you a +9, and 27 is going to be your final answer. When it comes to question number 3, it says y square. That means 2 square is going to give you a 4, which is your answer. Now here 4 is multiplied by the value of y square. That means it's going to be something like this: 4 2 square. That means 4 is multiplied by 4 itself. That means 16 is going to be your final answer. When it comes to 2x power 2, that means 2 times the value of x is -3 is going to be whole squared, something like this. So that means when this 2 is for 2 and for -3 also, it is 2. So this is going to give you a 4, and this the bracket is going to give you a +9. That means -3 multiplied by -3, so it's going to give you a +9. So it's going to be giving you a 36 as an answer. When it comes to 2x square, the difference here, you can see the difference. Now here 2 is multiplied by the value of x square. That means -3 multiplied by itself. So here it's going to give you 2 times 9, 18. So this is the difference between 2x whole square and 2x square. When it comes to question number 7, it says 10 should be subtracted from the value of x square. X square means -3 square. That means 10 minus +9. That means 10 minus 9 is going to give you a 1. Now comes question number 8. It says 10 minus value of y is a 2. That means 2 square. So this gives you 10 minus 4, which is going to give you a 6. Question number 9. It says 20 minus 2, x value is -3 square. That means 20 minus 2, and this is a 9. That means it's going to give you 20 minus 18 is going to give you a 2 as an answer. Now in here it is 20 minus 3. The value of y is going to be 2 square. That means 20 minus 3 times 4. So this is going to give you 20 minus 12, which is an 8 as an answer. Now comes question number 11. It says 5 is added to 4 times x, and the x value is -3. That means 5 minus 12. 5 minus 12 is going to give you a -7 as an answer. Now it says x square. X value is -3 square, -2 times x. The value of x is -3. So this is, first one is going to give you a +9, because -3 times -9 -3 is going to give you a +9. As far as the second one is going to give you a +6, so this is going to give you a 15. Next comes question number 13. Let me tell you, there are 45 questions in this. Now For question number 13, y square means 2 square. Minus 3 times x is a negative 3. That means negative 3 square. So this is given give you 4, and minus 3 times positive 9. So this is going to give you minus 3 times 9 is 27. So 27 minus 4 is going to give you a negative 23 as an answer. Now comes question number 14. X square means minus 3 square minus 3, y value is 2. That means this is going to give you 9 minus 6 is going to give you a positive 3. Now in here, the value of 2x is multiplied by itself. That means 2 is multiplied by negative 3 whole square minus y is 2 square. So that means this is going to give you a 4 and times 9 minus 4. So 4 times 9 is 36. Minus 4 is going to give you a 32 as an answer. Now comes question number 16. 4 is multiplied by the value of x square. That means negative 3 square means 4 times 9 is going to give you a 36. Then comes 4x square. That means 4 times minus 3 square and 4 also square. That means 16 times 9. So 16 times 9 is going to give you a 144 as an answer. Now 1 minus x value is negative 3 square. That means 1 minus 9 is going to give you a minus 8. Now the value of y is a 2 minus x square means minus 3 square. That means 2 positive 9. So it's going to give you a negative 7. X square means negative 3 square plus 2 square. That means this is going to give you a 9 plus 4. 13 is going to be your final answer. Moving on to 21. It says x square. X square means negative 3 square and 2 also square. So this gives you a 9 minus 4. So it's going to give you a positive 5 as an answer. Now comes 2 times 2 times the value of x square. So this is going to give you a 2 negative times 9. So 2 minus 18 is going to give you a negative 16. Now the value of 3x is multiplied by itself. That means 3 square and x square plus 3. You can write this way also. So this is going to give you a 9, and the value of x is negative 3 plus 3. So this is going to give you a positive 9 plus 3. 9 times 9 is a 81 plus 3 is going to give you 84. Then comes 11 minus x is the value negative 3 multiplied by 2. So this is going to give you a negative, and this is going to give you a negative 6. So 11 plus 6 is going to give you a 17. Now comes question number 25. It is 12 plus the value of x is negative 3 and the value of y is a 2. That means 12 plus, and this is going to give you a negative 6. So this is going to give you 12 minus 6, and this is x. Moving on to question number 26. Moving on to question number 6. 26 is going to be over here. Okay, in here, it's going to be a double operation. So we have to be very careful with this. Now it says 2x whole square. That means 2 and x both are going to be square. So I will make this guy something like this. Okay, simplifying, and 3 square and y also square to make things simple. So 2 square is going to be giving you a 4, and x square value is negative 3. That means negative 3 also a square. In here it is 9 and y is a 2. That means 2 is going to be multiplied by itself. So 4 is going to be multiplied by positive 9 and 9 is going to be multiplied by 4. This gives you 4 times 9 is 36 and minus 9 times 4 is also 36. So it's going to give you a 0 as an answer. Now comes question number 27. In here, 2 is subtracted from 3 times the value of x square. X square is a negative 3 square gives you 2 minus 3 and minus 3 times minus 3 is going to give you a positive 9. So 2 minus 3 times 9 is 27. So it's going to be negative 25 as an answer. For question number 28, the value of y is 2 square minus negative 3 square. So this is going to give you a 4 and negative 9 because minus 3 square is going to give you a positive 9. So minus 5 is going to be your final answer. When it comes to the next question, value of x is negative 3. That means negative 3 square plus 2 square is going to be operated together. Minus 9 square give you a 9, minus 3 square gives you a 9, and plus 4, 9 plus 4 is going to give you a 13 as an answer. Let's see if it is right. X square is negative 3, square is giving you a 9, plus y, it's cube actually. So 2 cube is going to give you an 8. So this is going to give you a 9 plus 2 cube is an 8. So 8 plus 9 is going to give you a 17. Now it's operation of division. Negative 3 is divided by a 2. So it's going to give you a negative 1.5, or you can write negative 1 whole 1 over 2. Both are same. Next comes 31. In here, 10 minus 3 times x value is negative 3. So 10 minus, it's a positive 9. So 10 plus 9 is going to give you a 19 as an answer. Then comes 2 times the power of x square. That means 2 square. That means 2 times 4 is going to giving you an 8. Now 25 minus 3 times the value of y, which is a 2. That means 25 minus 6 is going to give you a 19 as an answer. Now comes the value of 2y is multiplied by itself. That means 2 square and the value of y square is to be multiplied together. So 2 square giving you a 4 and y value is 2. That means 2 square. So 4 is multiplied by 4 and giving you a 16. Question number 35 is giving you minus 7 plus 3 times the value of x, which is negative 3. So 7 is this multiply give you negative 9. So negative 7 and negative 9 is going to giving you a negative 16. Next is question number 36, in which minus 8 plus 10 times the value of y, which is a 2. So minus 8 plus 20 is going to give you a positive 12. Next is the value of x and y is multiplied by itself. That means negative 3 is multiplied by itself and 2 is also multiplied by itself. So this gives you a positive 9 and this gives you a positive 4. So 9 times 4 is 36, which is your answer. Now in the next one, 38, the value of x is going to be itself only and y is multiplied by itself. So y is multiplied by itself like this. So the value of x is negative 3 and 2 is multiplied by itself. So negative 3 times 4 is going to give you a negative 12 as an answer. Now minus 7 plus minus 3 square. So minus 7 plus, and this is going to be a plus 9. That means minus 7 plus 9 is going to give you a plus 2 as an answer. Question number 40 is 17 plus negative 3 and 2, so that means 17 plus minus 6, that means 17 minus 6 is going to give you an 11 as an answer. Now comes negative 5, negative 2, the value of x is negative 3 square, that means minus 5 minus 2 multiplied by 9, so minus 5 is minus 18 is going to give you a minus 23 as an answer. Now here 10 is from 10 should be subtracted the value of 2x and 2x whole square. That means 2 square and x square. So this exponent is for both 2 and x separate individually. So 10 minus 4 and the value of x square means minus 3 square. That means 10 minus 4 times 9 is going to give you 10 times 10 minus 36. So negative 26 is going to be your final answer for question number 42. Next comes 43. X value is negative 3, which is whole square, plus 3 multiplied by minus 3 and plus 5 is going to be the operation. First one is going to give you a 9. Second one is going to give you negative 9 and plus 5. That means negative 9 and positive 9 cancel, and 43 is going to give you a positive 5 only. Now 2 is multiplied by the value of x square, that means negative 3 square minus 4, x value is 2 and plus 1. That means 2 is multiplied by 9 and minus 8 plus 1. That means 18 minus 8 plus 1. So 44 is going to give you a 31 with the calculation. In 45 it is negative 3 square is divided by 2. That means 9 is divided by 2. That means 4.5 is going to be answer. And you can write 4 whole 1 over 2. Both are going to be accepted answer. This was all for this exercise. 45 questions are solved. And next is going to be exercise 8 on the next page. We'll be uploading soon. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, share, and with other students. Thank you very much once again.